Hello, my friends. Dan G. Fox here. Hope you're having a foxtastic day. And I wanted today to highlight one of the features of LeadsLeap. I mean, LeadsLeap has so many features and so many tools. It's hard to believe that you can get them for free or for a little money, depending on which features you want to use. I mean, you can get an astounding amount of them just for free. But I wanted to highlight the one that's called the Adbar. And you would access the Adbar by going to the black menu on the left and you click on Adbar. And when you click on Adbar, it'll take you to this page here. And to create an Adbar, you just click on Add a new Adbar. I'm not going to make a new one for the purpose of this video. I'm just going to edit one that I already have. Okay? But it'll be the same process. You click on add and then do all the features you're going to see now. So we're going to edit it. Give it a name, whatever name that works for you. Only you see the name, so it's for your reference. And then you put in the URL of where you want the Adbar clicker to go to. You'll see what I mean in a minute. All right. And then you put in the text that you want on your Adbar. Then you have a choice. You can have an arrow on your Adbar or your profile picture, which of course I think it's better to have your profile picture because it shows that you're a real person and it personalizes it. You can have it animate, you can have it do nothing, blink, countdown, however you want to do it. Now, and then you can put tags in there tags always are good to connect with. All right. And then once it's done, you click save and that's it. Now, let's see what it looks like. Just to view it. Okay. So remember my wording was get endless leads and make money with this job killer. And see how it's blinking, the yellow and white there gets attention. If they click on it, it's going to go to the link that I had in the Adbar. That would be this link right here, okay, and then my profile picture, like I mentioned, because again it's more personalized. You could, if you want. Let me just change this a minute. Put the arrow there. Let me save it, and we'll go back to it. Same Adbar. I'll hit refresh. And see it puts the arrow. All right. But as I mentioned, having your profile picture is actually a better way to go. Now, what do you do with this Adbar? Well, of course you can make pages in LeadsLeap. All right, there's another feature, pages. For if you have a free account, you can have up to 10 pages that you can create, capture pages, splash pages, sales pages, or whatever. If you have a pro account, you can have unlimited pages. All right. But so you go to Page Manager. All right. When you get to Page Manager, then you have different pages. And so I'm just going to edit one again instead of creating a new one for now. So we'll click on Launch Editor. And that'll take me to my page creator for this particular item. I'm sorry, it's a little slow. Let me show you this while it's queuing up. My computer's going slow. Here's the URL for it. Okay, right here. And let me copy it. My computer really is going slow. Sorry. There we go. Open link in new tab. My, we're going slow. Okay, so that's the page here. All right. Now, remember what this page looks like. Okay. Now we go into the page creator, which is still loading up here. Okay, here's my system. Actually, I'm in the wrong spot. I apologize. I'm in the wrong spot. We go back over here. and this is the item. So we click on the edit button. Okay, for whatever page you're working on, click on the edit button, and then look down here where it says insert ad bar. Okay, and usually it's none. That's why when I showed you the page, there was no ad bar there, but you could add the ad bar that you want. I have 2 ad bars created. You could add this one or this one. All right, you could change to the color whatever you want. I'm gonna leave it on red and click save. Okay, now it's saved. And remember, this was the page. That's the one we just edited. And if I refresh it, see that ad bar that we created shows up here. Okay, and that's a real handy tool because you could use that for any. You could put your ad bar on top of CNN. You put your ad bar on top of wherever you're sending your people to, and it'll show up on top of their thing. Let's say you found a real interesting blog article, or a WikiLeaks article, or a Wikipedia article rather, or wherever you want to do it. You can put your ad bar and lead them right to it. So I mean that's really a nifty little feature. So I wanted to highlight that particular feature of LeadsLeap. Again, there are so many features that I'll be highlighting in some now and then, one at a time, because there's so many I couldn't do it all in one video. So I hope you gain something from this. If you're interested in joining LeadsLeap, look down at the link. Look down. The link is just below this video. And click on the link and get started. You can get started for free. Well, actually, you can get started for free. You can stay for free. You can get a lifetime free membership with LeadsLeap. And you can use the ad bar and all the other features there. And besides the tools and all that you get with LeadsLeap, you also can make money with it. Even a free member can make money with LeadsLeap. So take advantage of this system, my friends. It has all the tools that you need. And this little ad bar feature is really, really clever. So y'all take care for now, and I truly want you to have a foxtastic day.